Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and demonstration of the Cosy family storage or moving bags. This is a set of 4 extra large bags that you can currently get on Amazon for $16 for 4 separate bags. The reason why I'm reviewing this is we recently had to move and start storing things in our apartment, and these bags came highly recommended and really were great as far as the capacity, the actual handles, and the durability. And so what we'll do is we'll unbox these, show you what they look like up close, and then we'll walk through just demonstrating how their capacity as far as storing things to get a general sense of how they perform. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing these, I'll leave links in the description below. Alright, so these are the Cosy family heavy duty storage or moving bags. Currently you can get these on Amazon for $16 for a pack of 4 bags, which comes out to $4 per bag. They've got several colors. These are going to be their navy variety, but they've got black, clear, multicolored, as well as silver. So you can really choose your color preference based on it. But what we'll do is we'll just get these open and show you what they look like up close. As far as the packaging, it's just like a clear plastic container. Has like labeling for Cosy family. It's very generic, nothing too particular there. But the real emphasis is the actual bags. And so there's going to be 4 separate bags that come in this container. All of them are going to basically be this duffel style bag with handles on the side. Hopefully you can see this, which are basically seamed handles, which they're woven into the bag on either side. Okay, and then on the top here there's going to be an actual zipper that'll come across the entire bag that'll zipper close. So that's what it looks like, and it's basically a cube design. As far as the capacity for this bag, it's going to be 86 liters, or I believe, let me double check, 24 gallons. The dimensions are going to be 29 by 14 by 13, so 29 by 14 by 13. So it's an easy way to basically have a duffel bag for either storing clothes in your apartment or when you're moving. So recently we had to move, and these were highly recommended and are really great to just throw things in a bag, move on the go, and let us transport very easily without having to spend a lot of money. So that's what the bags look like. Now I'm going to set up the camera in the other room, and we'll just throw some stuff in here to get a sense of its capacity, so you kind of see how well it functions as far as when things are actually thrown into it. Alright, so now that we have a little bit better angle, this is what the storage bag actually looks like. The interesting thing I didn't really notice when I took it out of the package is that the seam for the zipper actually goes all the way down the length of it. So you can open this all the way down the length of one side, which gives you a lot of access to really fill this up. Additionally, you could turn it on its side and fill it up that way, where you can actually take the zipper and run it across the top like this. Sorry, it's a little bit difficult. It's across the top like this and fill it up this way, so that you can actually make this bag vertical rather than just horizontal. So that's a nice feature if you want to throw in towels or something like that and just stack them up. But that's kind of the gist of the bag. It's like a nice kind of, not canvasy material, but like a heavy duty like tarp type of material. The inside's silver, the outside's navy blue, and then these are the handles as far as grabbing it. Now what we'll do is I've just got random things that I pulled out that we're trying to put into storage as far as like having excess, but we're going to just throw everything in here and get a sense of its capacity. So bear with me for a second, but these are a bunch of sheet towels. And really you could just throw it into this bag, store it that way. And if you're on the go as far as moving, this is an easy way to just throw things in a bag real quick, have a heavy duty way to transport them without having to worry about boxes or things like that. But like that, basically that's a bunch of towels, a bunch of blankets. There's still plenty of space. You can still fill this out much more. I could probably throw another like 5-6 towels in another blanket without any issues. But just for demonstration purposes, here's what it looks like zippered all the way up. The zipper is a little bit, it's a little bit cumbersome as far as going on and off. You do have to be a little bit careful, but it does go very easily. And the handles here lift and wrap around without any problems. Additionally, I didn't actually notice this, but there's actually a backpack way here too. So there's actually slots on the back as well, so you can actually throw this on like a backpack and carry it that way as well, which is pretty cool. So that's a nice feature I didn't even know about when first looking at it. But so you can carry it as a backpack if you want to throw it on that way. And then there's also a handle here. So really this is a great all-around bag for storing small items whenever you're moving. If you have to store it or carry it around. But I'd highly recommend it. For $16, this is just $4 a bag. It's really cheap, affordable. And we recently had to move, and our friend was using it, and it worked really well for her, so that she recommended it, which is why we purchased this. So definitely check out the links below. If you have questions, post them below, but hopefully this video is helpful for those of you that are looking into these bags.